It's laundry day today. It's March. Is it March 3rd today? March 3rd. I think it's March 3rd. I'm getting all my laundry done for 80 baht here in Chiang Mai. I did the same amount of laundry in Bangkok, cost me 250 baht. That's why I thought it was such a good deal. But this is the place right here. I won't film you, I'm just going to film a little bit of the shop. This is the place. It's 24-hour laundry. It doesn't have any English writing. And I got a new motorbike today. They had to do an oil change on the other one, so they gave me a different motorbike. Same one, but different. And it's going to take 1 hour. It's 3:13, so about 4:15 I'll have my laundry all done. And what was your name? What was your name? Hom? Yeah, Barry, is it okay? My name's Barry. I'm from Canada. I don't know if you heard me, but I paid 250 baht in Bangkok for the same amount of laundry. That's why Chiang Mai is the best. Maybe you're just the best, I don't know, but a good price anyway. Well, I'll go for a walk. I won't bug you. I just wanted to do a little tiny film. Thanks. Hello. It's Monday, March 3rd, 2025. It's about 6:45. I turned the camera on early. I want to go get some groceries. We'll motor you down there to the grocery store. And if we're lucky, we'll do a little bit of filming inside too, and then we'll motor on back. It's getting a bit dark out there, but it should be fun. Alrighty then, let's go. Okay, let's go. I do like that it's so easy for me to get down to the bike. It doesn't take very long. Hit the button. Hitting the button. Elevator will appear, like so. We'll go down to B1. Like so. And we're going to get some food that's going to make us happy. We've got a lot of things done today that I didn't want to do. New motorbike, which I had to get because they had to work on the other one. They gave me a different one. Walkie-talkies coming in. 500 baht a piece, right? Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Oh! Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, I wonder if they paid their 500 baht. It's supposed to be 500 baht. Okay, let's roll. Remind me to get my glasses out of here before I go in the store so I know what I'm buying. Let's see, let's get this off. Take her hat off. Remember to get our glasses and our hat out of there. Pop this on. Pop this on. A lot of pretty posh little cars down in here, depending on the day. Let's roll. Oh, let's roll. Let's get our grocery on. Let's get our grocery on. We got a four-wheeled menace in front of us. Oh, it's moving along. Just keep moving. That actually gets us moving a little slower, except it ruins our view. Who wants to look at that lump? There we go. And we're here. It's pretty quick to get here. Takes a little longer to get back. Okay. Lots of bikes here. Get your hat and your glasses out of the little conveniently located glove box. Let's get in there. Get our grocery on. Nice clear sky, nice and warm. Let's roll. See if anybody notices. I got the camera on. Yeah, think anyone will notice? We'll find out. We'll go down this way. Oh, I just about tripped. I would have made for a good video. Straight to the hospital. Okay. Let's get some food. Okay. Busy as usual. Free samples. Oh, okay, that's right. Okay. This one. Okay. What do we need? Let's get one of these. 20 baht off. Mango sticky rice. 59 baht. Let's see, 59 baht. What else could we get? More mangoes? Water. No, I don't need that. Let's roll. I know what I need. I'll get some peanut butter and some bread. Sorry. See if we can find what we're looking for here. The stores are really jam-packed full of good stuff. No. Peanut butter. No. Cereal. Yeah, this is the one. Here we go. Hike up. Peanut butter. Yeah, this stuff is good. This tidy bear. Just a little jar, creamy, old-fashioned. Okay. That's one of the essentials, right? Backup. Let's see, bread. What kind of bread do you want? Over here. Got a good variety of specialty breads. See, these breads are even vegan, right? Pumpernickel. Pumpernickel? German bread. Get some German bread. 79 baht. What else? Bomb. Doesn't do. Nuts. Which ones? Spicy. Oh, right. Your way. I can't remember what else I come in here for. Now that the camera's on, I'm drawing a blank. You know, these soups are really good when you're in the middle of the night and you're hungry. If you pick the right one. Shin. Shin, what's the difference? What's that? Spicy. Let's try one of those.